What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the shop. Simple one today. The power steering in the 84 Celica is whining really bad, so we're going to service it. Let's check it out. First things first, you definitely want the car on jacks or in the air. So just a quick check. So here's the power steering reservoir. Let's check it. And it is completely dry. Since it's dry like that, there's got to be some air in the system, so we are going to bleed it out. First things first, we are going to top off the fluid, some power steering fluid, and I got some high mileage stuff. This car does have like 225,000 miles on it. You know, it's a 36-year-old car, so top off the power steering fluid. Now, servicing it is pretty easy, you know, just why I said you got to have the car up in the air on jacks. So all you do is you turn the car on and you run the wheel full lock to lock, left to right. Probably do that about 10 times and then check your fluid levels. And we'll get going. So it works better like this, and you'll kind of hear it bog when it goes edge to edge, and then kind of RPMs come back up. Side to side, all the way, lock to lock. And that will work the air out of the rack and lines and back up into the reservoir. Now we can check our fluid again, see if it went down some. It should have gone down. Yeah, there we go. It went down some. I still overfilled it though. Another way to actually see that it's working, I'll set up the camera right here looking at the top of the reservoir, and you should see it bubbling in the top as I run the wheel side to side. Now we're gonna check our fluid level after we ran it. Looks like I need to top it off just a little bit. Since I topped it off, I'll just run it just a few more times. Then after a few more times, we'll set the car on the ground, and then we'll go lock to lock on the ground and see if we hear that bad squealing or not. Moment of truth, let's see if she squeals real bad or not. I'd say that's a pretty good success. It's much, much quieter than it was before. Still a little bit, you know, it is a car that's 36 years old, so it might have a slight whine, but it was really jumpy and whiny, like, Let's go take it for a little test drive. I mean, even backing out of the driveway last time, it was pretty squeaky. Oh yeah, that's much, much quieter. Moment of truth in the cul-de-sac. When we do some tight circles, see if we hear it. It's not whining at all. It's money. I say that's a job completed. So obviously I know that since it was out of power steering fluid completely, I possibly have a leak somewhere. I'll track that down for a while, but thanks for stopping in. Make sure you like and subscribe and follow for future videos. Peace out.